Page 46, When Our Band Goes Marching By. This is a fun piece. It's a good piece. It's the last piece in the book. Congratulations. If you do not have a teacher, then I encourage you to go back through and go through the book again. Go through all the lessons again. Review everything again. Play everything again. Because you'll have missed things. You'll have forgotten things. And it's really important you remember all this, because the next book just gets more difficult and more difficult. So don't be in a hurry. Make sure you really understand what's going on. See, if you had a teacher, they would make sure you understand before going on. But when you're on your own, you got to do that yourself. Now, up above in that little paragraph, they're telling you about the accidentals. The sharp or flat or a natural sign, when they're stuck in the music like it is here, they're called accidentals. They're called accidentals because they're temporary. They're just short-lived little things. That's all. There are more accidentals besides the three, the sharp, flat, natural, but we don't use the others very often, so don't worry about them. But these three you're going to get quite a bit. So let's look this over. It's 1 page long, sort of. Treble and bass clef again. No sharps or flats in the key signature. It's empty, so we're in the key of C major. Make sure you're doing the C major scale and all that. You're going to get tired of me saying that, so I just say, I'll do the scale, blah, 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 and then you can fill in the blah, 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 okay? 4/4 time signature. Both hands are pretty busy, so I'm going to take it one hand at a time first to make sure I understand what the hands are doing. We have a few sharps in here, so we're using a few black keys. Right hand, you're starting third finger here. Now put your hand here. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Because I have second finger on D, so I'm going to use second finger on the D sharp. Okay, third measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now it's 2 notes, and the E and a G, 1, and then a D sharp. See, the top note's the same. It's here. Okay, so much for the right hand. Left hand, you got the broken chord. So we got the C chord at the beginning. Then a 5/7 chord or D7. That's pretty much it for the left hand till we get down to the bottom, the last 2 measures. It's an F sharp. So the second finger's on F, so I'm going to use it on the F sharp. There. And you want to get to where you can use or play these black keys like this without looking at the keyboard. You can feel where it is. You know where it is. Then we put the hands together slowly. Now I just want to know which fingers are these, and then these, and then these, and these. And I go through and I work it out real carefully with both hands. Then I go through and work it out even more carefully and get rid of the hesitations. Then I can think about the articulation. They don't give much. You have rests in between here, so you can lift up, but otherwise connect the notes. Rest. So connect the notes. In the left hand, you can connect them. When they don't tell you anything, it's actually your choice. You could disconnect them if you wanted to. But I'm suggesting go ahead and connect them for now. You see, when they don't say anything, the default is, or the thing you do first is connect the notes. Then later on, you can experiment with disconnecting some of them or all of them or whatever. But first, connect them. Then in the last line, we get these accents in the second and third measure and the fourth here. You can play them a little louder and put a little silence between each one. Repeated notes you have to anyway, but do it on the others too. Just bump, bump. It helps to bring out the accent. And then the last 2 measures, again, no accents on the first 2 notes, but this. So it's like a slur line is over the first 3 notes in the left hand there. So it's here, here, that. Then I think about the dynamics. That applies to the melody, which is the right hand. F is forte for loud. This is like a pep band or a school band could get people excited and ready for the game or whatever they're doing. Yay, team and all that. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Left hand's in the background. Yeah, just keep the right hand loud and the left hand in the background out of the way. Even at the bottom, on the second and third measure, Even then, I want to hear the right hand. Keep the left hand out. Just because they're playing the same note names doesn't mean they're playing melody. Just keep the right hand. And the left hand's softer. The last two measures at the end. As I'm doing this, I want to hear that. Don't drown it out. And then the last note, it's both hands because there's no melody here. The melody ended with the dotted or with the whole note tied to the quarter note. That's the melody. That's it. You see the word by up above where they were singing? Yeah, it's over. This last chord, it's like an afterthought. It's like a coda, a very short coda. And it's both hands here. There's no melody. And then the speed. Well, march tempo means tempo of a march. If you're going to march, and a metronome, that's about one beat at 120. It's about 2 beats a second. So it's like left, right, left, right, left, right. The problem is, do you feel this in 4 or do you feel it in 2? Because the natural accents are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. So are we feeling the natural accents or are we feeling the beat? Don't know. You have to experiment. What is it? If I feel the beat, 1, 2, left, right. If I'm feeling the natural accents, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's the natural accents. If you're going to feel it on the beat, it's about half that speed. It's left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Left, right. It's up to you. Different people would play it differently. There's no right or wrong as far as I'm concerned. It's just how do you feel it? How do you choose to interpret it? Or your teacher will tell you, and that's fine. Do it their way. You know, if you were going to sing it, how fast would you sing it? Band goes marching by. Or sing it fast. Band goes marching by. I mean, a pep band is so I'm guessing most people would feel this in 2. They'll feel the natural accents. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can put a little emphasis on the natural accents. If you feel them, you play it that way. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. So I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go.